Good morning, everybody. My name is Bhushan, and I have worked in IT industry for about 25 years. Post taking early retirement, I have started my own concept called Urban Happiness. Urban happiness is having various pillars, and wellness is one of the important pillars under urban happiness. Now, when we say wellness, we have to earn it. Earn, EARN. So, wellness constitutes of E, exercise, A, attitude, which should be positive, R, resting and relaxation, and N, which is nutrition. Under exercise, I will recommend what I have been doing entire life and continue doing it even today. Every morning, I do yoga sincerely along with my wife. When you have a partner along with you, exercise becomes more interesting. In yoga, what I do, I'm going to teach you. I do a combination of breathing exercises and Kapalbhati. So I will teach you all what I do one by one. This exercise will take around 30 to 40 minutes of your time. So I will start with lesson number 1. Lesson number 1 is deep inhaling and exhaling, and I would recommend it to be done 10 times. 10 times deep inhaling and 10 times deep exhaling. So steps are deep inhaling, store the air in your lungs, let it stay there for few seconds, and then exhale it. And repeat this process 10 times slowly. One more thing which I will advise is that when you do yoga, always have a smiling face while doing exercise. The smile relaxes the nerve, and the effect of yoga is much better. So now lesson number 2, which is Kapalbhati. I'm sure all of you know about it. So it is done like this. So what I do is, I will do one breathing exercise and then one Kapalbhati. Then again another breathing exercise and again Kapalbhati. Breathing exercises I normally do 10 times and Kapalbhati I will do 100 times. But when you are starting yoga, I would recommend that you start with Kapalbhati like 25 times and slowly keep on increasing it to 100 day by day. So lesson number 3 would be a breathing exercise which is called as Anulom Vilom. So you have to inhale from one nostril, keep the air inside for few seconds and then exhale from another nostril. Again repeat the process. From where you have exhaled, now you inhale, make it stay for few seconds and exhale from the other one and repeat this 10 times. Since I'm doing a video, I will show you in a way so that you can have a look. As I said, after every breathing exercise, I will do Kapalbhati. So lesson number 4, it is actually repeat of Kapalbhati, which I told you earlier. Lesson number 5 is another breathing exercise where you will do deep inhaling, make it stay for a few seconds, and exhale from one of the nostril. Let's say first time you exhale from the left nostril. Then again repeat it. Again deep inhale. Let it stay for some time. And this time exhale from the right nostril. And do it only 4 times. Lesson number 6 would be again repeat of Kapalbhati. As I said that after every breathing exercise, I do Kapalbhati 100 times. Lesson number 7 is again a breathing exercise, but it is repeat of Anulom Vilom, 10 from one nostril and 10 from another nostril. Lesson number 8 is again Kapalbhati 100 times. Lesson number 9 would be another breathing exercise, and this is a bit difficult for the starters, but with practice it will become very easy. What you have to do, you have to first do deep exhaling, and after that you have to pull your stomach inside, and by making sound from your cunt you have to do the inhaling. Repeat this 3 times. Let me show you. Not more than 3 times. Now lesson number 10, that would be what? Yes, same Kapalbhati 100 times. Last one is called as Brahmari, where you make the Om sound. I will have to pull out my specs for this, and I will teach you that. So for doing Brahmari, you have to learn some technique. Use your thumb to press this part of the ear so that you don't listen anything. The middle finger should be at this point of the eye, and this finger should be just on the top of the eyebrow. And same you have to do with this hand, and then you make the inhale and make the Om sound. I hope you could get it perfectly. So you have to do this Brahmari 5 times, and after that you have to remove the hands from the eyes and the ears, and you have to bring it down, and after that again do this Om 5 times more, but that will be in a different way. So after bringing the hands down, this is how you have to do. Deep inhale. Repeat this again 5 times, as I said earlier. Now, while doing Bhramri, your eye has to remain closed for the full Bhramri, right? The one which we did like this and the second one which we did like this. You should not open your eyes. And after completing Bhramri, your eye should again remain closed the way it was. And then with closed eyes, you have to move your hands up and just rub it. Rub it strongly for around 50 to 60 times so that there is a heat produced in the palm. And after that, put it on your eyes and then open your eyes and try to see your palm. And just thank God and use the palm to give warmth to your neck. And this is how we complete this morning yoga, which comprises of breathing and Kapalbhati. I hope you liked it. You have any questions? You can revert back to me. Thank you and have a great day.